Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we are going to do a grenade pour. This is a technique I learned from Masse Art Studio. So we're going to start by placing this giant pin in the bottom of our cup, which when we flip it over will become the top. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill this cup up with paint. Spring is coming, so I'm going to use some really bright, colorful colors. I'm not taking care to layer them without air bubbles particularly. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and lift up my canvas and flip. Now when you do a flip cup, the cup and the canvas create a suction together, which is why you put this pin in here, because once you pull the pin out, it's going to release that suction. And then the paint's just going to flow right out. So you can either just let it flow like that, which is pretty darn cool, and you'll get some really cool reactions. Or you can lift up the cup at any point and you can kind of drag it through those colors. So I'm gonna actually do what's called lipping it. And I'm gonna just pull the lip through my colors here. And that's just gonna give me a bit of a design. Totally optional. Now we're gonna go ahead and tilt. And I can already see we do have some cells popping through. Just as a note, there is no silicone or any oils or additives in here, but I did use a metallic green, and then also just the fact of doing a flip cup to begin with is going to help create some really cool reactions. I am really loving the colors on this. This is almost a galactic look, a little more than a spring look, but I'm gonna pull this a little more this way. I love it. So we have just a lot of cool things happening kind of all over, and doing the grenade pour this way too gives you typically this really cool kind of lacing look in here that I will show you guys on the close-up. I'm very happy with how this came out. All right, so over here is what I'm talking about with this really cool lacing that we get doing this specific technique. And you can see the cells coming up through here with that metallic green, which I love. Not all metallics will cause cells, but a lot of them will. So if you want cells, that can really help. And then I love the purple over here. I really like it. And I love all these colors together. I think it's a pretty perfect color combination. So there you have it, the grenade pour. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you all in the next video.